Water temperatures have cooled down into the mid-50s as a result of this cold air. Tonight will be the coldest, and then gradually get warmer and warmer. In fact, next week, well, we'll remember what happened, but you wouldn't know it looking around. It's going to be a beautiful week, and the water temps will start to rebound just a little bit. So let's get you live outside for our Friday night. Temperatures starting to go back down through the upper 40s, so grab those jackets. I know they're handy. Beautiful sunset, though. These clouds, I've been watching all afternoon. They've been coming in off of the Gulf, or they just got here really last couple hours. But there's a few more out there, but more than anything else, we're going to be mainly clear overnight tonight. Stars and the moon out there. Northwest winds at 10 miles per hour, barely 50 degrees. It's 51 right now, but here are all the 40s. Newport Richey, Brooksville, Crystal River. We've got 46 still in Clearwater. 54 in Lakeland, one of our warmer spots. It's 53 in Sarasota right now. Satellite and radar showing clearing skies. There's this left of those clouds. They'll continue to push on out of here. No rain, no mist, no snowflakes. I didn't know I had to say that in Tampa, but we're fine. We're going to be dry. You can see those temperatures, though, quickly down through the 40s. Now, you see after about 2 to 3 in the morning, we have a weather impact alert. That's what this red shading is. And it basically gives you a heads up like, hey, that's some of the coldest air that's coming in, and the coldest part of the overnight and early morning hours. So that will go from 2 a.m. through 10 a.m. and then we'll warm things back up. Mid-30s, 36 for Tampa tomorrow morning. We made 37 this morning. 37 is the coldest that Tampa's been so far this season. That would be the coldest so far. And then looking ahead through the first week of February, I don't see anything, at least not yet. So that's good news. Now, the light blue, cold weather advisory issued by the National Weather Service. They're saying heads up. It's going to be one of those cold nights. Please be careful with the space heaters out there. Pasco, Hernando, and Citrus, that purple is a freeze warning. That means protect the pets, protect the plants, cover those things up. If you do cover them up, don't forget to get the cover off after about 9 or 10 in the morning tomorrow morning, because we will warm up a little bit. You can see that. There we go. Weather impact alert ends around 10 a.m. We're in the 40s. Then we go up into the low 60s for daytime highs. That's your Saturday. There's the parade forecast. Low 60s, about 62 degrees once we get to about 2:30, 3 o'clock. Gorgeous sunshine all the way through. It's going to be, when you're out walking around and hanging out there, you will be fairly comfortable. Now, let's talk boating, because the northeast winds will go 20 knots in the morning, but they come down to 10 knots. So if you're taking the boat, and I've done this before, from Pinellas around MacDill and get up into the northern part of the bay there, that stretch is going to be bumpy. As soon as you get north of Beer Can Island, I think things will calm down just a little bit. But that northeast wind direction is going to give you a pretty good bump out there on the bay. We're going choppy on the bay with exercise caution advisories for the first half of the day. Once you get up into Bayshore, obviously the northeast wind is basically protected by land. So near the Bayshore should be fine. 62 on Saturday. Yes, 70 on Sunday. We'll be very close to it. I can't wait for that. And then look at this stretch ahead the next 10 days through next weekend. Mid to upper 70s. One small rain chance on Friday, and it's real small. And then if you look, that was through almost the first week of February. We're getting into it. This is taking us February 1st through the February 7th. Looks like we want to stay above average. Great news there. I'll be doing updates throughout the weekend on the weather. Bobby Deskin's Weather, my Facebook and YouTube. You can always find me there on X, almost said Twitter. There you go. There's your 7-day forecast. Getting back to normal, guys. Low to mid 70s most of next week.